Hello, everybody. How are you doing? It is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, your certified global voice motivational speaker under the mentorship of the amazing, legendary guru man himself, Dr. Les Brown. Today, I have a really personal, sensitive topic that I'd like to bring to the forefront that I'm a little bit really strong willed and gung ho about, that I want to share with you, that is one of my pet peeves, but I want it to be one of your strengths, because if you master this, and when you master this, this is when you become successful. Believe you me, I never understood it until I began to apply it, and I am living the dream every single day. As you can see, I can be off the grid, remote, mobile office, and help thousands achieve their goals and make them become a reality. Without any further ado, I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. For someone is listening, someone is watching. And I encourage you to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I appreciate your support. Let's jump into it. How are we living our lives? We are frequency and light beings, correct? We are all energy beings as well. What we put out into the universe, we receive. The frequencies and moods and emotions that we put out, we receive in return twofold. But this is one of my biggest pet peeves in life, and I was a victim of it. I was somebody who did it all the time, and I want to share it with you today to stop it right now. You have a dream, you have a goal, you have a message, you have a mission. Stop talking about it. Stop right now. Stop talking about it. Because the cliche says actions speak louder than words. Let your actions reflect who you are, and that's what you will be most remembered for. Maya Angelou says it's not what you say, but it's how you make people feel. Paraphrased, of course. I encounter on a daily, if not second basis, people talking about what they're going to change, what they're going to do. I'm going to try. I'm going to work on it. I'm going to do this. I want this. I don't want this. The late, great Bob Proctor talks about this. And he expresses it in such a way that what you conceive in your mind is what you believe and you will achieve. Now that applies for both sides of the coin. What do I mean by that? If you are constantly complaining that you are tired, you don't have enough time, you're not healthy, you're not motivated, you're unhappy with your lifestyle, stop putting energy and focus on those conditions. Do something about it. Take action. Be proactive. There's so much more energy you can exert in planning accordingly and putting into place what you truly want, rather than the jabberjaw of sharing with people, being upset, and not allowing yourself to create the strategies, techniques, and mindset to make things change. Because believe you me, when you focus on what you don't have, what's wrong, how unhealthy you are, how unhappy you are bringing that into your headspace as well as your environment. Don't believe me? Think about it. Think of the underlying cliche, misery loves company. Why do you think so many of the greats and the successful people have a limited amount of people surrounding them? What we call in this industry the inner circle. I'd rather have quality in front instead of quantity surrounding of people and individuals who support and want me to succeed and lift me up and can help me when in need, just as I help them. Why are we focusing on the problem and not being part of the solution or creating a solution? History repeats itself. In my last industry, this was a signature quote of the company. If nothing changes, nothing changes. And in the dictionary, if you keep doing the same thing and not getting results, then it's the mindset of insanity. Doing the same thing over and over again and not getting different results is that you're not expanding, you're not being creative, you're not being innovative, and you're not thinking outside the box. So stop talking about the complaints and start creating the amazing components in your life. I have done this. I have fell victim to this for many years because that's the way I was programmed. That was my mindset. That was my false limited beliefs. That was the external influences that have bestowed their negative energy upon me. When I changed my channel, shifted my perspective, and shifted my point of view, everything started changing immediately. I would have not been in this position in just shy of a year speaking on every continent if I didn't believe in myself, if I didn't stop talking and more doing. Here's a key tip from me. Instead of listening to what people are saying, which is a key component through effective communication, watch and observe what they're doing. Because many times, more often than none, people are talking out of one side of their mouth, teaching one thing and doing another. Do as I say, not as I do. But with me, if you've been here for a while, actions speak louder than words. With me, what you see is what you get. No filter, no excuses, just results. So shift your mindset today. Make sure you share this video out to someone and start acting and not reacting. Stop the talking and start doing. The proof is in the pudding, ladies and gentlemen. These are all cliches that we've heard, but there's a reason for them. And if you need guidance and someone to walk beside you to get you to the next level, to meet and exceed your fullest potential, I am here with open arms, no judgment, just to listen, learn, and love, and walk beside you as you enhance your quality of life and choose to press play. Plan life according to you. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, global voice, bringing you daily content every single day, reminding you and showing you I am here. What I say is what I mean. What I mean is what I say. My actions reflect my verbiage, and I believe in you and I love you. I look forward to connecting with you. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next day. Be well.